Most seniors stop after a few days, but you're here on day 31, and that is exactly why your legs are getting stronger when others lose progress. Welcome, dear seniors. Today is day 31 of our daily exercise series. If you are new, make sure to subscribe so you can join us every single day. Before we begin, tell me in the comments which country you are watching from today. Exercise 1. Chair, sit to stand. This movement teaches safe rising and sitting while strengthening the legs and improving balance. Begin by placing your chair against a wall so it cannot slide. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and keep your chest lifted. Now we move through all 25 repetitions, divided into 3 supportive phases to keep you motivated. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, easing in during the warm-up. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Continuing with calm control as your posture settles. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Entering the strength phase where most people pause, yet your commitment keeps progress alive. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Still steady, proving that skipping this practice is why progress slips away for many. Now the confidence phase begins with a gentle countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Finishing strong. Throughout this exercise, keep your spine tall and avoid dropping suddenly into the chair. Think of pressing the floor away as you stand and lowering yourself with intention as you sit. This protects your knees and helps your hips stay mobile. Notice how each repetition teaches your body smoother transitions. How are you feeling so far? And which leg feels stronger today? Exercise 2. Standing march while holding the chair. Stand behind your chair with both hands resting lightly on the backrest. Keep your spine tall and your shoulders relaxed. Begin lifting your knees one at a time in a smooth, gentle rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, warming the body as the movement becomes familiar. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, letting your balance settle while your hips begin to loosen. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, entering the strength phase where steadiness matters more than height. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, reminding yourself that even tiny marches wake up your hips and support confident walking. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, finishing with control as your confidence grows. Throughout this exercise, focus on slow, deliberate steps rather than rushing. Hold the chair gently so your hands guide rather than grip. Let us stop counting and focus on balance for a moment, feeling how each lift teaches your legs to cooperate. If you need to slow down, please do so while staying with the movement. Consistency is more valuable than speed. Each march strengthens the connection between your hips and core, helping you maintain stability in daily life. Keep going, breathe steadily, and share this with a senior friend who needs stronger legs. Exercise 3. Side leg lifts with chair support. Stand tall beside your chair with one hand resting lightly on the backrest. Keep your spine long and your shoulders relaxed. Lift the outer leg gently to the side and lower it with control. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, easing into the warm-up as your hips begin to activate. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, feeling your balance settle while the supporting leg grows steadier. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, entering the strength phase, where this is the moment most people lean too far. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, staying present as your hips grow stronger and more responsive. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, finishing the confidence phase with a calm, steady rhythm. Throughout this exercise, focus on lifting the leg only as high as feels comfortable. There is no need for big motions. Even small lifts strengthen the outer hip muscles that support walking and balance. Keep your chest open and avoid turning your toes outward. Imagine lengthening rather than swinging. Your hips will thank you later for this gentle yet powerful work. Notice which side feels tighter today and allow that awareness to guide your pace without pressure. Exercise 4. Seated knee extensions. Sit tall on your chair with your back straight, shoulders relaxed, and both feet planted firmly on the floor. Hold the sides of the chair gently for support. Extend one leg forward, keeping your foot flexed, then lower it with control. Alternate legs as we move through all repetitions together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
5. Easing into the warm-up as your knees become familiar with the motion. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Letting the movement feel smoother while both thighs begin to activate. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. Entering the strength phase where each extension builds the muscles that protect your joints. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. Steady progress that supports your balance in everyday walking. 21. 22. 23. 24. 25. Completing the confidence phase with calm, controlled lifting. Let us stop counting and focus on squeezing the thigh, because that is the part that keeps you steady when walking, standing from a chair, or climbing a small step. Keep your foot flexed to protect your knee and avoid swinging the leg. Slow and controlled movement is more effective than rushing. If you need to rest, please do so while continuing to watch, because staying connected helps you maintain the rhythm of the session without feeling left behind.
Exercise 5. Ankle pumps for circulation and calf strength. Sit comfortably on your chair with your back tall and both feet resting flat on the floor. Keep your hands relaxed on your thighs. Begin by lifting your toes upward while keeping your heels on the ground. Then press your toes down as your heels rise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, easing into the warm-up and waking the lower legs. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, feeling gentle activation as your calves support smoother blood flow. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, entering the strength phase where this simple movement keeps your circulation alive. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, staying steady and allowing your ankles to move fully through each lift. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, completing the confidence phase with relaxed but intentional motion. This exercise is small but powerful because it sends fresh blood upward through your legs and prevents stiffness from settling in the calves. Keep the motion slow, steady, and controlled, allowing the muscles to engage without rushing. Before moving into the final lifts, remember that this is where consistency pays off, and you are doing amazing by simply staying present. Calf activation supports balance, walking comfort, and overall leg energy throughout the day. Soft. How are your legs feeling today? If you completed the session, comment Day 31 done. Please share this video with 5 to 7 seniors who would benefit from these gentle exercises. If today felt tough, Day 32 will feel better. Stay with me. Great work today. See you tomorrow.